Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm the Lost and Explorer. Had to get out today. Been putting something off for a little bit. And finally decided today was the day. I got a package in the mail a little while ago, and Papa got some brand new shoes. Snowshoes, that is. So here we are. Let's go explore. So this is definitely something new for me. Usually used to looking at my footprints because tripping over rocks. Today, I kind of got to look at my footprints because we're breaking new trail. And I've never snowshoed before. So this is kind of a whole new experience for me. Definitely got to walk a little wider. Probably about 8, maybe 10 inches of snow back here yet. Maybe a little bit deeper. And then it's pretty soft. But I'm sure if I stepped full weight in without the snowshoes, I'd probably be down probably quite a bit more than I am. So check this out, guys. There's some Bigfoot tracks for you. That's where we're headed. But the whole idea of snowshoes, you guys probably know, is to keep you from sinking up to your knees in this snow. So they're floating, kind of. Hope that makes sense. These are G2s with an alloy frame, and they're the 9x30 version. A lot of people have suggested MSRs, and like I said, this is my first time doing it. I'm not even sure if this is something I'm gonna like. It's kind of fun. It's definitely fun. But we're out on a trail nobody's been to since the snowstorm. So we have all this beauty and we get to break trail. So this is another adventure. Totally new to me. I don't know, you guys, I know a few of you guys do snowshoe. I've been wanting to do this for a few years. Just never really got around to it. Ordered these a little while back, and I've kind of been waiting not really for the perfect situation to get out, because I just don't do that. I have to wait for the perfect opportunity to get out. And today, I have an hour or so. Probably won't get in very far. But I wanted to get out and give it a try. And I do have both my trekking poles, so I'll probably talk to you guys on the way in, and then on the way out I'm going to put these away and get a feel for these poles, see if they really help much, because I don't think I really need them where I am, to be honest. It's relatively flat, and oh, maybe somebody else did come back through here. All right, so check this out. So that's the way I came in. But then there's a set of snowshoe trails that go that way. And then there's a set of snowshoe trails that go this way. I believe they're snowshoe. You guys let me know. I'm sure you will. You know what's funny? In the summertime when you hike, you know you're the first person on the trail because you get all the spider webs. In the winter, after a good snow, you know you're the first person to hike because you leave all the footprints. And I think the person... No parking. So far, first impression of snowshoeing. I'm having a good time. Here's the problem. I just found out I'm not very well coordinated. I've stepped on my own foot, I don't know, 10 times now. Haven't fallen yet. Hopefully that doesn't happen. But, so, these are the G2 9x30. If you guys are looking for a budget pair of snowshoes, check them out. And I'm going to continue on exploring down here, trying these shoes out. So I'm having a good time, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. Try and get that patented stare at the foot shot, all right? little difficult. I kind of got my trekking pole is just kind of floating there. But you guys can see it's definitely a challenge. It is definitely a challenge learning how to walk in these things. But I think once I adjust to it, I think I'm gonna really enjoy this. So I'm gonna leave you guys here with this one. Get outdoors, guys, try something new. If you're not able to, as always, come along with me. I'd be happy to bring you along on my adventures. So we'll see you in the next video, guys. Have a great day. So there's a bonus to this, because the crampons definitely help you go across the lake on the ice so much easier than just a regular shoe. So if you're looking for that, maybe that'll help. But my idea was to get out on the trails and to check them out. So again, see you guys in the next one. So again, in case you're wondering why you wear snowshoes, knee deep. So again, G2 930s. Check out the crampons on the back. Bought them a few weeks ago, so they may have gone up a little bit. But I grabbed these off Amazon. Getting pretty cheap. You can even get a set with that come with trekking poles. I do have winter trekking poles and baskets, so I didn't opt for that one. But they're a little bit cheaper this way. So if you're looking to get in a snowshoe, definitely recommend giving these a shot. Then you can decide if you want to spend the money on the MSRs. But MSR again does come highly rated. So I may be looking at a pair of MSRs in the future. But for now, we'll beat this nut out of these G2s. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video.